Hello everybody, today we make easy dish. We make mussels with a white wine. Now I want to show you the mussels. First thing, the mussels, what you gotta do, you gotta wash it good. After over here, you got the little black thing over here and you pull it right out. After you put it in the water and you wash 4-5 times. When you wash it 4-5 times, pour cold water and pour sea salt inside with the water. Now what you do, when you put salt inside with the mussels and water, it clean up more clean, like the sand, everything. After you half hour, you wash it again a couple more times, and you see the difference. When you put a salt, you can see it come out with more stuff. That's what I was washing this. Now, what I got over here, I got butter, white wine, I got the oil already over there, and I got my oil baby hot pepper. This is from my garden, and I chop because this is really hot. I got a shallot, I got a garlic, I got a thyme, a celery. It's really good because this is from my garden. I pick it up. Now, for start, we go this and we bring everything over here. I gotta put the gas on. And I finish the bring the stuff over here. I got the mussels, I got the wine, and when I do the mussels, this is the cover. Can you cover and the mussels you come when you open nice everything.
Can you say hello to everybody now?
Hello everybody. And now we want to say before we start, salute the chin chin, little wine, it's good before we start. Salute. When I was in Italy, we have all the time when you cook, everybody say, oh, send the beer or the wine, the chef in the kitchen, the people who was coming to eat. And everybody give some of the drink. Salute chin chin, and thank you very much for the stuff. Salute. Okay, now we start with the oil.
Hi, Joanne.
Okay, now we warm up the oil. I want to keep this glass out before I break. Can't move too much in my hands. My wife said, no move too much. Hey, I'm Italiano. Italian people talk with the hands. E I got a piece of butter. Te l'ha fatta quando mamma te l'ha fatta.
Hello, Patricia. Hello, everybody.
Hello everybody. Don't make a mess, guys. I gotta clean, okay? Alright. And now we start. I got over here the shallot, the hot pepper, and the garlic. Be quiet. You. Okay, now maybe you stop them. Okay, alright, okay. Zingara baddivina con c'è. La fatta mamma de io sacce meglio di te. Oh, the smell is so good. When I was in Italy, the Orsara, we was waiting for the people, in Lesina, he was bringing this black cozza. It was the cozzo nero, the Lesina, it's the best one over there. It was really good, the fish. And we was waiting to, o pesciaiolo, even old. After you have the guy or another woman, and he was going each street in the city. È venuto pesciaiolo, chi vuole pesce fresco? Who wants the fresh fish? the fisherman he come in, he was put outside, everybody was go by. Okay, now we put the parsley. I put everything like this. I want to keep one, but this, you gotta go like that.
It smells good already.
Non c'è bisogno, look at this parsley, oh my God. The mamma de io saccio meglio di te. Oh, look at this, beautiful. Salute cincin everybody. A salute. Thank you very much for the stuff. Thank you. It's helped me so much. Thank you. Salute. Cincin.
Rosanna from Teton Falls. Wow. Neighbor.
Tinta fall for neighbor. Yes. Okay.
Lisa, she make lasagna with roll-ups with spinach. Oh, good.
Okay, now we put the wine. I love the gas. Can't want to burn my house, okay? Can't eat the house.
Kenneth make arancini. This is so good too.
Yes, arancini, arancini. Now we leave evaporate all the wine. Quando suona già persa.
What wine you drinking?
It's this Frontiera Merlot. Okay, I like this wine. It's a nice dry. Kind of like sweet wine.
Yeah, we have Philly cheesesteak. Yes.
Okay, now good. We raise the flame and now we turn the mussels to make take the taste of everything we got inside over here. The wine.
Oh, Silvana, she said, I just made this tonight. Ooh.
Oh.
Hello from Alaska.
Okay, now we put a little salt. Hello, Alaska. E salute cincin everybody. E thank you very much for the stuff. Salute! Okay, now I want to put a little salt. Not too much salt, because like I said before, the mussels, I put salt with the water. And I got my oil, baby, it's a spice, but I want to put a little black pepper too. Okay. Now, when I turn this, and with the cover, all right, we raise a little bit on the medium flame, and we put this on the top. So somebody want to ask me some question, please ask me. Cause this dish, when I was in Italy, we was eat this all the time, especially on Friday. In Italy, before everybody say, oh, Friday, it's a time of a fish. And the fisherman, like I said before, he was come with a truck, and everybody was go buy the fish. He was buy the calamari, mussels, clams, bacala, you know, everything. And now we see this one.
Well, I don't speak Italian, but I can understand everything.
She will understand everything, the good stuff.
Good and bad.
Salute cin cin everybody. And thank you very much for the stuff. You see, in Italy, every place you go, everybody, the first thing you learn the good stuff. Eh? I don't know if I'm right or wrong. I think I'm right.
Yeah.
Salute cin cin. You see? Already started to open up, look. Couple of more minutes and this it be ready. Now, there's a limonada. And look at this. Look at big tomato. I got the big one. I got the small one. I got everything over here. Look at the cucumber. Cucumber. Nice. And I got an eggplant. Okay, yesterday I was making ciabatta. More. Salute e cin cin. Salute. Okay, let's check it now. I think it's open already now.
You can pick up some, no?
Yes, now I want to get a dish for me. Let me see now.
It smells so good.
All right, now we take some. Look at this. Already it's open, look at that. Okay. And we cover it again. And we turn off now. Okay, one time it start to open, you gotta turn off.
Yeah, you can do with clams too, yes.
Okay. Look how nice. This it's not really the big one, it's a small one. And this you don't need no fork, nothing. This you eat like this. Look at that. Right? Okay. And this we eat this after a nice glass of wine, everything will be good. And I want to say to everybody, thank you to watch this recipe, the Mussels. This is some with the recipe after we put the recipe on the Mussels too. I want to say salute e cin cin to everybody. Thank you very much for all your support and thank you very much for the stuff. Salute e cin cin and we'll see next time. Salute.
No, Bill, we will eating with bread this time.
Yes, we make the toasted bread. I got a nice baguette and we put it on the oven and we toast with a little oil and garlic. Look at this, beautiful. Okay, thank you very much and we'll see next time. Thank you.